Alam nyo ba, 62.3% ng Filipino travelers prefer budget-friendly accommodations? Pero syempre, gusto pa rin natin ng comfortable at sulit, lalo na pag hotel ang usapan. Totoo yan. Kaya nung nag-Boracay ako, naghanap ako ng mid-range hotel na hindi naman super mahal, malapit sa D-Mall kasi nandun ang mga kainan, shops, and everything you might need. At syempre, walking distance sa White Beach. And that's where Henan Park Boracay comes in. And honestly, it did not disappoint. I booked their premier room, and guys, available din pala to sa Klook Creator Shop ko. Just search Keep Wandering sa Klook app, then go to my Malay tab kasi nandun lahat ng Boracay recommendations ko. So for the room, you get one single bed and one queen bed, plus may balcony with a pool view. Fully air-conditioned din, may cable TV, mini fridge, coffee and tea packets, electric kettle and pitcher, tapos may round table din na ginawa kong workstation. One thing I really loved is the vanity area. Ang ganda ng lighting dito, perfect kapag ka nagpe-prepare ka na para pumorma sa White Beach. And the comfort room is also super clean. May hair dryer, complete toiletries for our whole stay, hot and cold shower, and even a relaxing bathtub. And of course, let's talk about the daily breakfast because this deserves a mention. Every day may something different, so hindi ako nagsasawa. So if you're looking for a comfortable stay in Boracay na convenient ang location, may nice rooms and good breakfast, Henan Park is definitely worth considering. You can book this through Klook, and don't forget to use my discount code Keep Wandering Klook.